Good morning, I'm Dr. Deuk, and I'm here with one of my patients, and she's very special for a lot of reasons, which some we won't talk about because they're political, but we share views on. But and it's election year, so it's almost election month, for that matter. But you're very special because you're one of my first thoracic herniated discs that we treated with the Deuk laser disc repair, endoscopic repair of the annulus and disc herniation. And she had a T910 herniation. She's had thoracic pain up by her bra strap for, how long did you have that pain?
3 years.
3 years. And it shot around the ribs to the side.
Mm-hmm.
And we tried conservative treatment,
Mm-hmm.
right, and it didn't work. We tried shots and therapy and time. We just wanted to wait it out and see if it'd go away. It didn't work. Did it?
Nope.
All right, so what kind of problems were you having?
I was having pain around the rib cage. When I breathed, it felt like my ribs were poking in, and then it felt almost like a baseball underneath the skin in the back that was always there. And it just felt larger than normal, and it restricted movement, it restricted breathing, it restricted everything. And now it's gone.
So it affected your quality of life, your activities of daily living, your ability to do things, right?
Mm-hmm.
And what's it like? Just tell people what it's like to live in chronic pain that affects your life. Because a lot of people don't understand it, but those who have it understand it. And it's not something people who don't have pain can really understand.
And it's not. Chronic pain it's something that you have to adapt to in a daily life. But I have 3 kids, and I had to make sure that I didn't, I couldn't pick up the laundry baskets. I couldn't do, a lot of things with them that I used to do, and it was hard because I had to adapt to being a partial mother rather than a full mother, I guess you could say. My kids had to do a lot of lifting and moving and things like that, and there were days that I was completely out. I was in so much pain, I just I couldn't walk, I couldn't, hang out, I couldn't do anything because I was just miserable.
It's dehumanizing.
It is.
Yeah, it takes dignity away when you can't do what other people are doing, and your family knows it and your kids know it, and they're worried about you all the time, and your mom's in pain and they don't want to see you in pain, and they're like, why don't you get out of pain, right? So in their minds they don't understand what's going on,
right.
And they're afraid for you, and it's that way for everybody with chronic pain. People don't understand what those people are going through in chronic pain unless you actually experience it yourself. So you took a big gamble. You had the laser surgery. You could have done a fusion, right? You could have had screws and rods put in, and that probably would have worked, maybe, maybe not. But you went for the laser surgery to repair the disc herniation. And did it work?
It worked wonderfully. Because I have the fusion in the bottom and the dual titanium discs in the top, I wish that this would have been made to me before I had those surgeries, because I think this would have been way more successful than putting implants in my body.
100%, I agree. Yeah, the problem is that the endoscopic surgery we're doing is newer technology. It really comes from Asia, from Korea, where I had to go over there and train with the Koreans to learn it. And in the United States, it's just in its infancy. It's just starting out. And unfortunately, because of reimbursement challenges with insurance companies not wanting to pay for new technology, and this is something that Trump is fighting. He's trying to get new technology through and make the insurance companies have to pay for it. That's something that he's trying to do with his new medical plan that he's developing. But point is that the insurance companies are slow to adopt the new technology. They don't want to cover it, so we have to fight them. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Is that right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. But you got your surgery done, and your pain is gone, and you feel like a new person, I hope.
I do. I feel wonderful. It's like I have to wear the brace for 6 months or 6 weeks, and it's almost like I kind of almost don't want to wear it and want to go back to normal. I know I can't because I need to heal, but yeah. I feel like I can do stuff.
Good. And how do your kids feel about it?
They're happy I'm doing better.
Mom's doing better.
Yes.
And they're happy, they can see
I'm
it.
more in tune, and yeah.
It's only been a week since your surgery, so anything you want to tell the rest of the world about the endoscopic laser surgery?
I would definitely recommend it. I did try all avenues prior to this to try and fix it, and it didn't, and it was well worth it.
And what do you say to people who live in chronic pain in their back or neck?
That's a hard one. Just do what you can to make it easier. You know, stick with your medication regimen. You know, try to find the signs that make it worse or better, or so that you can avoid things that make it worse. And really, it's just trying to survive. There's no real easy thing of saying, oh, just do this and it goes away, because some days it would work and other days it would not. And so,
Well, if they have a herniated disc, the laser surgery I do would work.
Oh,
I'm
yes.
convinced of it.
Mhm.
So is that something that people should consider?
absolutely. Absolutely. If you can't fix it with, you know, chiropractics or physical therapy or, you know, different exercises to train the muscles or the bones, then absolutely, yeah, I would recommend it.
All right, thank you. Anything else you want to tell the world?
No, I'm just glad it's done.
All right, go home and be with your family.
Thank you very
All right,
much.
You're welcome. My pleasure.